There we go. All right, that's the EVVA EPS. This lock seems really simple, but it is a lot harder than it has any right to be. This is the slider version. Let's see. And the clip is nearly as hard as the lock. It's 5 sliders with a passive sidebar there. This is an active sidebar. Get you guys a good look at the sidebar. Get that to focus. You can see all the tabs are fine, nothing's been done. All right, let's see. And all the sliders are false gated, and the false gates bite very hard. I'm gonna leave the springs in there just because I don't want to drop them out. And y'all can't see that. Not that it's focused right now anyway, but just bear with me 1 second. All right, you guys can see the springs right there. All right. And you can see, like on this one, you see the false gate there. There's the true, false gate true, false gate true, false gate true, and false gate true. So that's it for the EVVA EPS, guys. There's really not much going on. It's just a pretty tough lock for being a purple belt. All right, thanks for watching.